Hello French learners, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be teaching you the French alphabet. In French, we call it l'alphabet français. Repeat after me. L'alphabet français. Now let's dive in. The French language has 26 alphabets, just like the English language. However, while the alphabet look the same, their pronunciation is different. Here are the French alphabets. Read and pronounce them after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, make sure to do so now and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.